Are you over 60 years old and looking to make informed choices about the fish you consume? Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your health and well-being. Discover the top 4 worst fishes that you should never touch after 60 and the 4 best fishes that you should include in your diet. Armed with this knowledge, you can make better choices for your health and enjoy the benefits of a balanced diet. Don't forget to stay updated with our latest health insights. Subscribe now and never miss out on valuable information that matters to you. Why fish matters for seniors. Fish is an excellent source of easily digestible protein. It is rich in healthy fats, including omega-3 south, vitamin D, and important minerals such as calcium, iodine, and selenium. These nutrients help strengthen the heart, brain, and bones of people over 60. However, not all fish are created equal. Some varieties can be dangerous due to high levels of mercury or many toxic or inflammatory substances. These can aggravate existing heart disease, high blood pressure, and memory problems. In fact, eating too much of the wrong fish could even increase your risk of developing these issues. So it's essential to know which fish to avoid and which ones to include in your diet. 4 worst fishes you should never eat after 60. 1. Swordfish and king mackerel. These large predatory fish are high in mercury. Mercury is a toxic substance that can cause poisoning. It can also lead to hearing loss, vision problems, and severe birth defects if consumed by pregnant women. These fish are often recommended to be avoided by the FDA and EPA due to their high mercury levels. People over 60 who eat these fish regularly may experience symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Additionally, high levels of mercury can weaken the immune system, making seniors more susceptible to illnesses. For the best options for your health, check out part 2 of this video. Number 2. Bluefin tuna. Bluefin tuna is a popular fish found in sushi and other dishes. However, it's important to be aware of its potential health risks before consuming it. While tuna is generally safe to eat, bluefin tuna has been linked to high levels of contaminants such as mercury, PCBs, and dioxins. These toxins can negatively impact the nervous system and increase the risk of cancer. Bluefin tuna is also at risk of being overfished and may contain traces of microplastics, which can disrupt hormones and negatively affect reproductive health. Due to these concerns, experts recommend limiting or avoiding bluefin tuna consumption to protect your health and the sustainability of our oceans. Number 3. Orange roughy. Orange roughy, also known as the slimehead, is a deep-sea fish that's gaining popularity among seafood lovers. However, it is crucial to be aware of the potential health risks associated with this fish before adding it to your diet. Orange roughy is high in heavy metals like mercury, which can damage the nervous system and lead to various health issues. It also has a high concentration of PCBs and dioxins, which are harmful to the environment and human health. Additionally, orange roughy is slow-growing and late maturing, which makes it vulnerable to overfishing. As a result, it's best to avoid this fish to protect both your health and the marine ecosystem. Number 4. Farmed salmon. Farmed salmon is a common food item found in many grocery stores and restaurants. However, there are several reasons why you should avoid eating it. Farmed salmon contains high levels of saturated fat, which can raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Additionally, farmed salmon is often fed with processed industrial fish meals that can contain contaminants like PCBs and dioxins. Moreover, the fish are typically raised in crowded conditions, making them susceptible to diseases and parasites that can negatively impact human health. To ensure your well-being, it is best to avoid eating farmed salmon and opt for healthier alternatives, like wild-caught salmon or other types of fish. 4 best fishes you should eat after 60. 1. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon. Wild-caught Alaskan salmon is one of the best fish options for people over 60 due to its numerous health benefits. This type of salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health as we age. Omega-3 salts have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, all of which are common concerns for seniors. Additionally, wild-caught Alaskan salmon is a good source of protein and vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. It's also low in mercury. Unlike some other fish, making it a safe option for regular consumption. Incorporating wild-caught Alaskan salmon into your diet can help you maintain a healthy body and mind as you age. Number 2, sardines and herring. Sardines and herring are small fish that are packed with nutrients and are considered some of the healthiest foods in the world. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and can help improve memory and cognitive function. This makes them an excellent choice for people over 60 who want to maintain sharp minds as they age. Additionally, sardines and herring are a good source of protein and vitamin D, which is important for bone health and immune function. They are also low in mercury and other heavy metals, making them safe for regular consumption. Whether you eat them canned or fresh, sardines and herring are a delicious and nutritious addition to any senior's diet. Number 3, trout. Trout is a delicious and nutritious fish that can provide many health benefits for people over 60. It is a great source of protein and healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and brain. Omega-3 salts have been shown to reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, all of which are common concerns for seniors. Additionally, trout is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, selenium, and potassium, which are important for overall health and well-being. It's also low in mercury, making it a safe option for regular consumption. Whether you grill it, bake it, or pan-sear it, trout is a versatile and nutritious addition to any senior's diet. No. 4. Cod. Cod is a lean, flaky fish that's a staple of many diets around the world. It's a great source of protein and low in fat, making it an excellent choice for people over 60 who are watching their cholesterol levels. Cod is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin D, which is important for bone health, and selenium, which supports the immune system. Additionally, cod is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve brain function. It's also low in mercury, making it a safe option for regular consumption. Whether you bake it, broil it, or pan-fry it, cod is a versatile and nutritious addition to any senior's diet. Tips for eating fish safely after 60. Choosing the right fish can make all the difference in maintaining a healthy diet after 60. But how do you make sure your fish is fresh and safe to eat? Here are some tips to keep in mind when purchasing and preparing fish. How often should the elderly eat fish? Aim for at least 2 servings of fish per week, including a variety of types to ensure you get all the necessary nutrients. How to choose fresh fish. Look for fish that's been stored properly and handled hygienically. Ask your fishmonger about the source and sustainability of the fish. How to tell if fish is fresh. Fresh fish should have a mild, pleasant odor and clear, shiny eyes. The flesh should be firm and spring back when touched. How to prepare fish safely. Wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling raw fish. Cook fish thoroughly to prevent parasitic infections. Avoid eating raw or undercooked fish. How to store fish. Store fish in a refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. Freeze fish to kill parasites if necessary. How to identify bad fish. If fish has a strong ammonia or fishy odor, it may be spoiled. Discard any fish that's slimy, has a brown or gray color, or has an unusual texture. How to cook fish. Bake, broil, or steam fish to keep it moist and nutritious. Avoid deep frying fish, as it can increase the risk of heart disease. By following these tips, you can ensure that you're eating fish safely and healthily, which can provide numerous health benefits as you age. Remember to choose wisely and enjoy the delicious flavors and nutrients that fish has to offer. Conclusion. Make every bite count for a better life. In conclusion, choosing the right fish can significantly impact your health and well-being. By understanding which fish to avoid and which ones to eat regularly, you can make informed decisions that support your overall health. Remember to choose wisely and incorporate the best fish options into your diet. Live a healthier life, a sharper memory, a more sensitive, stable cardiovascular system, and help yourself live a longer life and enjoy better quality of life after 60 years old. Thank you for watching today's video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. Stay healthy and happy.